Hey everyone, my name is Vinod Patel and today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem. Problem number is 3668. It is restore finishing order. So we are given, first of all we are given a detailed description about problem, and now once I will read the problem description and then I will explain you what the problem statement is saying, and after then we will start writing code. So you are given an integer array order of length n and an integer array friends. Order contains every integer from 1 to n exactly once, representing the IDs of the participants of a race in their finishing order, and friends containing the IDs of your friends in the race sorted in strictly increasing order. Each ID in friends is guaranteed to appear in the order array. So return an array containing your friends' IDs in the finishing order. So we have given a two arrays, and in this, first is every contestant participated in race in the finishing order, and then and their finishing order, and another is our friends array, which contains the ID of friends in sorted manner, that the who is won the race first, and the uh, rank of their friends. And now we have to just return an array of the friends id. Let we initialize the vector is mp. One for loop. The for loop will iterate from 0 and it will run up to order dot size. I will be increment I plus plus. The another for loop will be nested and it will be iterated from 0 to friends dot size and j plus plus. And if one if condition, if order of I equals to friends of j, then only you have to push back the value of order of I. You can also push back the value of friends of I, as it is same in both. And we got our map, we got our vector, and the vector name is mp, and here it is some error in naming. So let once me let me so let me explain you what the solution is saying. So we had firstly initialized the vector, and name of vector is mp, and another for loop, and the for loop where there we are using a nested for loop. First for loop is running for orders, as the order is containing integer from 1 to n, and it represents the IDs of participants on the race. And another one for loop is running for friends, and friends array, and that array contains ID of your of friends, and in sorted manner, that the second index order is second id order is with first, so it will be stored as. And at last we have to find just id of friends from orders, and we had returned that. Now let me submit now let me solve the now let Now let me submit the test case if it is solved or pass or not. We have passed two test cases, and then we will submit the solution. Let's say it passed 921 test cases and its runtime is 0 milli per second. It beats 100% people, and its memory usage is 50.16. It is little high, and it beats 79.37% solution. So thank you very much.